So, firstly, you have the oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Is less than
Yes,
0.7.
Yes.
Yes, everything is ready.
Okay.
Close everything.
Okay.
And then you get the high gas pressure.
Then go to blow it.
Go to the blow page and set the times 3 times or 4 times, whatever. Yeah, 4 times. Okay. And then turn on. Yeah. And then you come back. Okay, this.
Yes.
Yeah, this will go up 3 times and then boom.
Okay. The process is over.
Yeah, it's automatically.
Yeah.
It's automatically. And boom.
Yes.
So 3 times boom and then finish.
Okay.
And after that, you 3 times finish. You take the can. Yeah, take this and take that.
Okay.
Both out.
Okay.
And clean it and put them back.
We have set 3 times, but it is showing 6 or 7 times also. Why?
It's get 3 times high, pressure high.
Okay.
To collecting them.
Okay.
Collecting the high pressure.
Okay.
And then boom. Okay, see, now finish.
Okay.
Finish. Then we clean this.
So we can open
Yes.
compass and drain them. outside.
马工，这个是现在就可以打开下边那个集尘粉，这个清理就行了，是吧？那个门什么都可以关着，现在就可以清理这个了吗？
现在吗？
我的意思是，如果客户全部结束了，反吹结束了，然后他就可以现在就可以清理了吗？
对，把那个气儿停了之后。
把气儿停了。OK. Then we close the gas and we clean this.
Okay.